We've been missing you all. Life definitely has changed, even in the real estate industry and in our personal lives as well.
You know, who wants to talk about real estate, but I bet there's more of you out there that want to talk about real estate after being home.
And so they're trying to find their playroom for the kids, but yet where they can do their work.
Yeah, we're definitely adjusting.
Everybody's still looking for a home.
It's just about getting together with us and having a strategy for being safe. We've actually been swinging right along. Because not everybody's at the same stage at the same time, right?
Wait, how can I go looking at homes and feel safe?
Is it still going? Are the prices going up?
Would you suggest I talk to my lender? And we can work on that together.